Listen, I have a meeting with the president in 2 minutes. I needed to know what's so cool about manufacturing yesterday.
Well, why didn't you get it yesterday?
That's beside the point. Just go to eLabo and make it fast. This isn't a stakeout.
Steak, I'll have it medium rare.
Why did I make them agents?
Tell me all the eLabo secrets.
We heat things up and we cool them down. And we do it across multiple industries as well.
eLabo was formed more than 50 years ago. We are supplying the scientific arena with temperature control equipment. We are serving so many other industries, from electric car companies to space tech industries.
Temperature control is extremely unique. I get to talk to somebody at NASA one day. The next day I might speak to a pharmaceutical company.
Very interesting.
How did you get into manufacturing?
Since I was a little kid, I used to take my bicycle apart and then put it back together. I wanted to know how it was made.
Why are you so bad at this? Your trainer must have been stupid.
But you're the one who trained us.
Oh, well, your trainer must have been a genius.
So my name's Jorge Malero. I run the day-to-day operations here in the warehouse, ensure that all the shipments are fully packed and shipped out during the day.
I do field service work, and that entails going out to remote locations where the customer might be and repairing their machines on site.
The advantage of working at eLabo USA is the fact that we're building great relationships. I feel very supported as a working mother in manufacturing. eLabo USA has afforded me with a nice work-life balance.
You coordinate efforts with LCTI, some of the other trade schools in the area.
Maybe I should get a job here.
I enjoy what I do, the atmosphere, the people, the culture that we have here. You know, just keeps me coming every day.
We got all the footage.
Is it shaky?
Maybe?
I swear, if that footage is shaky, then I'll...
Come in, Mr. Warbell. The president is ready to speak to you.
Well, it was nice having a job.
So you see, Mr. President, working at eLabo is...
What's so cool about manufacturing?